This is a 2010 Infiniti QX56. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 5.6-liter V8 four-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Infiniti is in like-new condition. Its top features include skid plates and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a navigation system, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, a rear view camera, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. This Infiniti has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.